Hi, this is Judd with PresenterMedia, here with another tutorial for our PresenterMedia PowerPoint add-in. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the Word Cloud Maker app that you can load right inside PowerPoint. So you can access this in two ways. The first way is from the task pane on the right side here when you have the PowerPoint add-in open. So I click on Word Cloud Maker button right here, and it opens up the main window to that category with different layouts for word clouds to start with. So, and the other way to access that, if you have the main window open, is under Graphics and Word Cloud Generator or Maker. So I'll click on that, I'll go to the same page. So let's get started. I'm just going to click into one of these pre-made word clouds to get started. I think I'll use this hand here, so just click on that. And it opens up the Word Cloud Maker directly inside PowerPoint. So once I have that open, I can start using the tools in here to customize this word cloud how I like it. So right here, you'll see that shows all the words inside this word cloud. You can edit these or delete these here, or you can create a whole new list. So I'm going to create a list, and I have some words just already laid out inside Notepad. I'm just copying from my other monitor and pasting in here. So you can see these words I have, and once I have them in here, if I update paragraph, you can see that it's loaded in all those words that I had in that paragraph and is now using them as the word cloud. And in here I can change like how they look inside the hand or inside the word cloud and get some different looks. Go random, or I can rotate the words however I choose by using this little slider. If I go to scale words and push this all the way up, the words just become bigger and fill in the space as needed. Let's see, down here you can see once I have my words loaded in, you see this this weight right here. So if I change this to a bigger number, right now they're all the same number, so they all have the same priority. But if I change one, let's change this high word to 600. Hit enter. Now you see that it's using, or it's making that high a high priority word, and you can see it's bigger over here in the word cloud. Okay, you can also add another word. If you think of another word, just add. I'll just put high and load that in, and it'll load in, and you gotta give it a weight over here. I'm gonna just give it 300 so it's a little bit smaller. And let's see it load in. There it is, right high right there. Okay, now I'm going to go over to this colors tab, and in here there are a lot of preset theme colors I can choose from. So I'm just going to choose one to see how it looks. You can see it's loaded in now with all these new colors. You can also edit the colors up here. So if you want a totally different theme, you can edit each one of these colors to whatever you like. And this first color right here corresponds with the highest priority word usually. So you can see high has that color in it, and it also gives that color to a few other things here and there. But if you want whatever you want your highest priority keyword to be, change that first color. You can also use just one color for the whole word cloud. If I select this and change it to like a blue, you can see that all the words are that color now. I'm going to go with the theme colors and just choose a theme to go with here. And you also have option over here for your background color. I can change that to whatever I choose. Or you can go down here to the bottom options And if you select a PNG, it'll actually bring in a transparent word cloud, so it doesn't have a background. And you can see the background of the hand is transparent as well. You can adjust this right here. If I make it darker, it will fill in and make it less transparent. And I'm gonna make that a little bit darker so I can see my words. Yeah, I think I like that. Or I can bring it all the way down and not have any color for the background of the hand. I think I like that. Cool. In this next tab, you can change the font to whatever you want. Let's say I want a scary, creepy hand for Halloween or any other event. So if I change this font to, it's called Creepster. You can see that it brings in that font and uses that. And I'm going to go over to the next tab. It says Shapes, and I can use text as shape. So if I select this, it'll use whatever text I put in here as the word cloud. So there we go. It kind of changes the customizer look just to fit the text better. So I'm going to type in Halloween. See what that looks like. And it starts filling in all the words inside the word cloud. It just takes a little while. You might have to wait just a few seconds here as it calculates the words inside, or the letters inside this word. I can change the fonts down here. There's only a few preset fonts you can choose from that are thick enough to be able to be used as a word cloud. I'm going to turn that off now. Go back to my hand, and we'll look at this option right here. This option lets you use an image as the word cloud if you want to. So I'll click My Media and Uploads, which will allow me to go into my uploads and select an image. And let's see, let me find an image here. Okay, I'll use this one. It's just an image I've uploaded a long time ago, probably to use in a project, but I'll add it in here. And you can see over here the silhouette that was made. This, I'll show you if I scroll up here. You can see that the gray part over here in the image is not being filled in by words, and the black part is. So I can adjust that here if I want. And it looks like I'm not going to get much of the sale word in there. I'm going to pull that back a little. Now you can see a little more of the sale word inside this image. And you can also use the colors in this image, which I think the sale word was yellow. So if I select that, and you see it starts filling in now, the words color is actually the photo. So if I take this slider all the way down, I probably get nothing because it's trying to fill in. Yeah, it doesn't know what exactly to fill in unless I invert the shape. So let's go invert shape, and then it knows where to fill in the words. And now I get a better look for my word cloud made out of this image. So when using an image as a word cloud, kind of just follow that instruction to get the look you're going for. I am going to, let's see. Yeah, I like that. So once I'm done with that, I can scroll down as the customizer, or the word cloud customizer, adjusts to the settings. So right now all the options are underneath. So when we used that hand, the layout was a little bit different. So remember, if you don't see the add to PowerPoint or save to my media button, just scroll down because they're probably down the page a little bit. So I'm going to load the largest size. That looks good. I'm going to add it to my PowerPoint slides. You can see over here. Oh, it put it over that slide. So I'm just going to create a new slide here to add it to. And now I'm going to go back over here and add to PowerPoint. And now let me minimize this window. Now I have it inside my slide. Very cool. And I can use the design ideas as well to kind of get a different look as well. Let's see. Oh, that one's kind of cool. It's like torn out. I'll use that for now. I'm going to maximize the window by double clicking the little minimized window down here, and that opens up. And if I want to save this, my creation, what I just made, to my media to use in future projects, just click Save to Media. Okay, and when I do that, it's now processing this word cloud to be saved into my media for further use. And let's see, if you want to be done with this, just go back to the category page to find other layouts to use and make some pretty sweet word clouds for your PowerPoint presentation. And I'm going to go to My Media and Uploads here just to show you that right here, yep, the word cloud was saved for me to use later on. If I want to save it forever, make sure that you click to save right here, and that will save it. Otherwise, it'll be deleted after 90 days. You can also add to your presentation right from here if you use this down the road in other presentations. So I think that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.